Hello all, this is Nikum and welcome to preparation strategy video for Airport Authority of India recruitment 2020. So basically this is our video number 8 and this is the video for our subject English. Okay. So now we will see how to prepare for this subject. Till now we saw the 4 subjects. Okay, this is your 5th subjects and second last subject. So already playlist is created for you guys, AI in English. So just go there, save that playlist. All the required videos for the AI recruitment you will get there directly. Okay. So now we will start our video. Okay, so basically in English, again I divided, as you can see here, the basic part and your application part. Okay, so as always I divide the things and I explain you to. The next thing is that now in basic you will start with grammar, very important obviously for English. Okay, without grammar you can't do anything, so you should know all the rules, you should know how to apply and all these things. Okay, then the next point is your synonym, antonym and spellings. For this I will tell you the process. Okay, don't worry about the synonym, antonym, because many students find difficult, because obviously there are lakhs of words, right? And it is not possible to remember them. So don't worry about this, I will tell you in short period. So after grammar, okay, the application of this grammar part is here now. Okay, so you have errors in sentence, phrases, how to what is the meaning of phrase, like that, and complete the sentence. Okay, so basically in the sentence there are few gaps, you have to fill that gaps with the proper word. And comprehension, very important for you, that the passage will be given to you, you have to properly read. Okay, so you should read the passage in speed. Also you should get the meaning of the proper meaning of the passage. Okay, and based on that you will answer the questions. So basically now just observe this. Now see, if you are in our Telegram group, okay, and those who are not in our Telegram group, so just join our group, because there we are preparing very hard for AI recruitment. So now see, daily I am sharing this word of the day with you guys, right? Now how to prepare for English section from this card, I will tell you. Just observe properly. First, from this card what you get, the word you will get daily. Okay, now what you can do, either make a separate book of this, or you can save this card in your mobile, so that before exam you can revise all the things, right? Because revision is also important. So for revision, either you can write or you can save this card. Okay, which I send you in our central group also, AI group, special group also. So profound, okay, meaning is given in Hindi also for those who understand Hindi. Adjective, it is adjective basically. Okay, meaning, have given the word, meaning of the word, that is having or showing great knowledge or insight, right? Synonym and antonym are there, so just you need to remember these things. The thing is, because each and every word I am selecting based on the analysis. Okay, so that the probability of this, the probability of word or synonym, okay, in the exam you can get keen also, and in the option you will get profound also, or in the exam you will get profound, what is the synonym, you will get the option keen also, like that. So like this you have to remember. Okay, second thing I have given, observe here, used in sentence. Okay, so with the help of this section, now you can prepare for this. Indirectly you are preparing for errors in statement and complete the statement section of English. How? See, now error in statement. Okay, so suppose they give you statement, Rohit analysis of the poem is profound. What is the error? It should be Rohit's. Okay, S should be there, right? So this is the error if they give only Rohit, right? So you can observe that, yes, or you can observe the statement, okay, how it is framed in the complete statement. Suppose they give you example, Rohit's analysis of the poem dash blank profound, so each are of, okay, like that you will get the option, so you will have to use each. So by observing just this statement, I can assure you that you will be improved in your error the statement and complete the statement. Okay, so this is my strategy for the word of the day, that's why I daily give this. Okay, because to improve your English, because English is not like that you are preparing for 3 months and then you will get everything. Okay, it is the regular thing, that's why also we are preparing for grammar. Okay, little bit of grammar from this card, so this card is very important for your preparation. Okay, that's why I am telling you that join the Telegram group and save each and every card whatever you are getting. Okay, the meaning of card and the use of card is like this. Okay, basically. So now this is your syllabus for English. Now how to prepare, right? So let's see. So basically, first, before that, English weightage, 20 marks weightage. Okay, very high weightage. In the non-text section, you know that after content reasoning you have English level. So in the exam only easy to moderate questions they will ask you. Okay, don't worry about that. So it will be easy for you. Okay, now the thing is that out of this 20 marks, how should you attempt? I want that your attempt should be, okay, see, till 15 everyone will do. Okay, just go, those who are giving exam on the basis of basic, just they will read and comprehension is there. Okay, 15 till 15 anyone can do, but I want, okay, because we want merit list. Okay, 350 vacancies only, we don't want 40% cut off, 50% cut off. Okay, that thing is not here. So to be in the merit list of AI recruitment 2020, you should target 18 above marks. Okay, or maybe 20 also, because yes, it is possible to get 20 in English. Okay, now it is possible, and just prepare like that only. Okay, don't worry about that. Whenever English classes will start, you will get that confidence to get the marks also. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, now one important announcement that of our classes. Okay, so basically see, now I am currently in the planning phase. Okay, because I have to provide notes and proper planning till exam. Okay, it is, and I am not like any company that just give you course, take the money, okay, for 2 months, the teachers teach you and then gone, everything over. Okay, not, this is basically the mentorship program. Okay, till the exam day I will be with you, I will be guiding to you that how you should write the paper, okay, in the exam, or how should you deal with the questions. All these things are there, so that's why it required planning. Okay, so just wait for a few days, just have little patience, because our process should be very fast and very effective, right? So don't worry about that, we will cover up all the things. And currently, okay, in the general awareness section I will tell you. Okay, so for now, for English clear, I hope clear. Then what are the books basically? So book SB Pakshi is book is there. Okay, in the Telegram group, it is the book is there only, you can read that. Previous year papers of SSC you can use. Okay, and the book is good, Kiran book is good for this, Kiran previous year paper especially. Okay, so you can use this book, and obviously our notes will be there for all. Okay, so don't worry about that. So from the notes also you will get lots of things to learn. Okay, so now this is for your English subject. Okay, and just join the Telegram group, which is very important for you. And also, if you have any query, any doubt, anything, just comment down below. Okay, if you want career related guidance, personal guidance, then you can DM me on Instagram, and just have patience. Okay, and just start the preparation, because I already told you that for physics and math you should download the NCERT books, and I also give the NCERT books in our group. Okay, so lots of activities are happening in our Telegram group, so it is important for you, because this is your dedicated platform. Okay, for AI recruitment 2020. So I will request you to join for yourself only, because all the things are there. Okay, so yes, I will meet you now in the last video of your syllabus coverage, and then I will definitely make something very big announcement for you. So don't, just wait for that. Okay, and then till then just read the page, read the basics, and don't focus on other. Okay, we have lots of time for AI recruitment, so don't worry about that. I will tell you exam date also very soon. Okay, once I get 90% confirm information. So yes, till then, just share your doubts, just share your views, like compulsory video, and yes, we will meet very soon. Okay, all the best.